Prepare to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll guide you through how to install the Ruby Café curtain rod. Both rod finishes include a plastic connector in the center that attaches to the extension rod. For best stability, we recommend avoiding extending the rod to its absolute maximum length. Step 1. Install the rings. Slide the number of curtain rings you need onto the rod. Step 2. Install the rod. For the black rod, start by marking the installation position for the rod and make sure it is level. Remove the protective backing from the adhesive pads and place them at the marked positions. Press firmly to secure the brackets in place. Your rod can now be installed. For a ceiling installation, simply flip the brackets and install them in the same way. For the gold rod, at the marked positions, attach the mounting bases. Insert the holes at both ends of the rod into the brackets to secure the rod. Your rod is now installed. For ceiling installation, simply flip the brackets and install them in the same way. And that's it! Your Ruby Café curtain rod is now installed.